Seedance 2.5 just completely killed the way that you're making AI videos. And if you're still generating 5-second clips and then stitching them all together, you're already behind. Because now there's an AI video agent that plans, generates, edits, and assembles the entire video for you. And Seedance 2.5 is built right into it. This allows you to make 30-second, single-shot videos, add more than 50 different reference assets for consistent products and characters, and it gives you a full visual workspace where you could edit or take control of any step that you want. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how to use it, and all the crazy use cases that this now unlocks. Now, the best way to actually be able to access Seedance 2.5 is using TopView, because they have this canvas right here that is absolutely incredible. This is not another one prompt in, one clip out AI video generator. This can actually generate the entire thing, because TopView Canvas is a visual AI workspace powered by an intelligent video agent. You can let the agent run the entire workflow or edit every single step of your canvas. Check this out. We could come over here. We could see that we have Seedance 2.5 turned on. We could see right here that if we actually click on this, we're able to upload different reference images, different things, so that you have character or product consistency, which is pretty awesome. In fact, you could add 50 reference images with Seedance 2.5. In addition to that, you could actually generate skills here. So if you like the way that something was actually generated, or you like the way that a process was done, you could build that into an SOP, aka a skill, so that it continues to keep getting used over and over again. In addition to that, on this side right here, we could see that we have an agent where we could chat, plan, and refine step by step, or we could just do direct generation that will generate the image or video cards from our prompt. In addition to that, we could choose what model the agent is actually using. I'm using Qwen 3.7 right now because it's super efficient. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to type in something simple, create a 20-second video about ChatGPT's latest updates. In parentheses, I'm going to put ChatGPT work. And then this is actually going to get to work here. We can see that we have agent mode on here. So what we get is going to be pretty interesting. It's not just going to directly generate the thing. This is actually going to create a canvas right here where we could do tons of different things. And this makes it incredibly easy to not only generate one video or generate one image, but actually to be able to generate a portfolio of things. We could generate videos, images, we could design short films, design product ads, clone a video, and so much more. And what's really cool here is we're going to be able to see all of this in a canvas so that we could see multiple videos at once. We could edit things, we could change things, we could change the hooks, we could A/B test things, and this is awesome. And so look at what this is actually doing right here. This is now actually going through and thinking and actually developing a bunch of different stuff right here. So it has good context on ChatGPT work. It actually went and did the research. It's now going to actually load up the relevant workflow and output skills in order to be able to craft this video. And that's what makes this agent special right here, because you can use it to create storyboards, scenes, visual styles, talents, messaging for you, and so much more. In addition to that, every asset that you generate under here is going to be developed inside of this canvas, so we'll be able to see all of them at once. This is now going through and drafting a cinematic 20-second video about ChatGPT Work's latest update. It's going to actually load everything up here. It's going to create it. Once it's done, I'll show you what it looks like and how easy it is to actually be able to edit anything that you want about it, because this right here is incredible and just makes your workflow way better. So we can see right here the video task preview. We have the duration, we have the prompt. We didn't add in a reference right here. I'm going to show you creating things with references later on. And now this is going to go through. We just simply approve this. I am going to say great. If we wanted to change anything about the visuals, the pacing, the content focus, we could get it to do that. But what this has right here, I absolutely love, and it did all the work, all the planning, all the research, which is incredible. Okay, so now this is actually going through. This is going to generate this right here using Seedance 2.5. While it does that, I did want to show you on the left-hand side right here, all of the different things that we were actually able to do here, because we can select inside of the canvas, we can upload things into the canvas, we could create AI images, create AI videos, we can create AI audio, we could add in text. So basically, let's say we want to do like version 1, Seedance 2.5 ChatGPT work. We could actually do this, and then we could actually come over here and we could put this right here. We could change this so that we actually understand what this is, and we are able to actually have all of our different references and all of our different things that we have created here. In addition to that, we could create 3D worlds. We could do a 3D shot composer. We can actually manage all our assets right here, see all of our products. And now just like this, check out the results here. This also generated way faster than it said it was going to generate, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to turn the volume up.
Using new ChatGPT agent GP55 and AI in work and workspace.
Gotta be honest, that is absolutely insane That is mind-blowing. I cannot believe that it was able to do this. Now, if we want to change anything, we could come in here and do this. We could, from directly inside of here, we could download this. We could add this into the chat. We could come over here into more, where we could do video to prompt. We could remove subtitles if there were subtitles, extract the audio, and we could pretty much change anything that we want from inside of here. Right now, I'm going to close this chat right here. I'm going to move this around so that we can actually come over here and actually see what this actually looks like. So we're going to click on this. We're going to click on edit clip, and we could see that we could actually come in here and describe exactly how we want to edit things. We could add in photos, we could add in videos, we could add in voice, we could edit with masks, and we could pretty much edit this however we want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, get to the voice over quicker. We're going to click on start edit. Now this is going to go through, and this is going to edit this video incredibly easy. We don't have to go through and do it manually. We simply prompt AI, and it makes the changes. And this is incredible for pretty much every use case you could think of. E-commerce, UGC videos, filmmakers, marketers, creators, and so much more. Then just like that, this went through and this actually edited this. Now, this only took 1 second off to getting to the voiceover quicker. So I should have been more specific, but you guys get the point. You can literally edit anything directly from inside of here just by chatting with it, describing the change. Also, I would just make sure that you were hyper specific when it comes to the change. Otherwise, you leave things up to interpretation. Then from here, let's say that we like this. What we could actually do is we could come over here and we can say, can we turn this process into a skill for breaking news? I want to be able to just tell you the length of the video and the topic, and then you do the research, create the video just like this. And then what this will actually do is write out for us exactly how this skill works. We can then click on skills right here. And from here, we could see that there is a skill library that actually goes through how to actually create all of these different things. We could see all of my skills. And if we click on create skill right here, this is where we could actually go through and summarize from chat, which is pretty awesome because this is essentially what we were doing here, where we take everything that it did in the chat and turn this into that skill. Now, before I show you, I'm actually running with this tool. I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with TopView today for only $1 on a 3-day pro trial. And if you go ultra annual, you're going to get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generations, plus 365 days of unlimited WAN 3.0, Minimax H3, and GPT Image 2. The link is in the pinned comment below and at the top of the description. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to do something a lot crazier. We're actually going to come over here. We're going to grab this product. We're going to grab the URL to this product. We're going to come back over into our canvas right here. And we are going to say, I want to create 3 short videos to promote this product and 2 images. The videos should be 5 to 10 seconds long each. Then I'm simply just going to give this the link. We're going to give this to this right here. And this is going to run off and actually create this. So in the past, I would have had to do all of these things one by one. It would have been a huge pain for me to actually do that. But now, because of Canvas and because of this video agent, and quite frankly, Seedance 2.5, this is now going to go through. It's going to pull the product details from that page. It's going to plan out the videos. It's going to plan out the images. We're going to approve the plan, and then it's actually going to do it. And we can see right here that with the TopView extension, this will actually be able to go through and actually capture the page and then send it to the canvas. So please make sure you have that installed. It's as simple as us just coming over here, then clicking on this, convert this URL to a video right here. This is then going to analyze this. We can then click on this right here, and then this will actually go through and add all of this in, and we can see that it's analyzing the link. It's going to upload the images, and it's going to do everything right here. And look at how crazy this is. This literally went through, grabbed all of the images. It got the product name and all this information. I'm going to click on apply right here. And now all of this is automatically preloaded up in here. Now we could take this right here and we're going to click submit. And this is going to go through and actually do this. And basically what I just wanted to walk you through is the difference between doing it from inside of the canvas right here, where you're just giving it the link, versus the other workaround that I just showed you, which is actually just going over to the product page using the extension and then being able to build, because we could see that this now just loads up another canvas, still uses Seedance 2.5, and the result that we're going to get is going to be crazy. So we can see that we have all of our different reference images right here, which is awesome. So we'll be able to turn these into videos. We'll be able to change these. We'll be able to do all of this, but otherwise this is going to plan everything out here and then actually create the different assets we wanted. And then once again, this goes through and actually writes out the plan. 5 to 10 seconds each. We have video 1, we have video 2, we have video 3, we have the image ads that are going to be created. I approve this plan, and now this is going to actually work on generating them. Now we could see that this is actually coming over here, and this is generating these, and this is actually creating connections to all of these different things that this is generating. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to X out of the agent again, and I'm going to begin to actually move these things around to make this a little bit neater right here, but this is going to go through and actually generate all these assets for us. In the past, I would have had to do all of these one by one, but now with this, it makes it incredibly easy to just go to the link of what we want this to build this on, or the information that we wanted to use the TopView extension, put all that into a chat using Canvas, Seedance 2.5, and this is creating everything for us all in parallel. And just like that, we could see that these images are already generated. I think that these look incredible here. Again, if we wanted to change anything, we simply just come over here. We could upscale things. We could download them. We could just suggest changes if we wanted to. But I think personally, these look great. I also think it's pretty cool that this actually added in other products and paired it with other things. For example, this lemonade, these Air Force Ones, and even this Sunbum. Now, just like that, we also have all of these different ads made. So we could come over here. We could check out this one. Absolutely incredible right there. The only thing that I would change is I'm actually going to swap this out for different shorts just to make sure that the shorts match up here, but that's a super easy edit for us to actually make. We're just going to grab the photo and we're going to say, hey, replace the shorts in here with these shorts. If we come over here, we can look at this version right here and we'd see what this looks like.
Whoa.
And what I even love is that it has Zip Store Go right here. And then if we come over here, we could also see this one. Where it goes through this right here. And by the way, I just blurred this out just because YouTube sometimes is weird about having kits and content. So I want to make sure that this content doesn't get flagged. But essentially, all of these videos look incredible. The only thing that I want to change is I want to make sure that the actual shorts are going to be used in them. So I could actually do this just like this incredibly simply. I'm going to come over here, going to take a screenshot of these shorts. I'm going to come over here into this video. We could come over into this right here where we can actually add this into the chat. We're going to say video 3. We're going to say, please make sure these shorts are showing, not the shorts in the video. Then I'm simply just going to come over here. We're going to come over into recent. I'm going to grab these shorts and this is then going to get uploaded right here and we're going to be able to actually send this message. And then what this is going to do is actually combine these two things. And then it's going to swap out the shorts that are inside of this video for the shorts that actually show inside of this image right here. But again, this just goes to show you need to make sure that you are as specific as possible when you're giving it things. Otherwise, it does mix things up a little bit. Now we can see that just like this actually went through and updated this. Let's see what this looks like. And now it literally looks perfect. And then for the last use case here, I really wanted to double down on how to actually use skills. So again, if we come over here and we get started inside of a canvas right here, we come over here, we click on create new project. This is then going to actually open up our workspace in our canvas. And I want to go through and show you how this actually works from scratch if we wanted to do something with the skills. So let's say that we come over here into the skills library. We could see promo video generator right here. I am then going to click on use directly. We could see that this is then going to actually be used. And what I'm going to say is I want to create a promo video for Seedance 2.5 on TopView's video generator. And then what this is actually going to do is this is going to use this skill to do this research, everything that this skill has in place to actually create this with Seedance 2.5. So we can see this then goes through. This actually loads up this skill to understand the workflow. It knows that it's going to be using English. It's going to be using Seedance 2.5. This is then thinking. It says, great, let's actually build this out. Let me first research Seedance 2.5 in TopView, which is what the skill recommends that this does. Then this is going to create the video. And what really makes this so powerful are all of these different skills and the different workflows that they unlock, because they have them for film, they have them for marketing, they have them for others. And what this really allows you to do is turn your video creation into a workflow that can be repeated, can be scaled up. And this is really where this becomes powerful. Okay, so this actually goes through, tells me exactly what assets it needs for me. I can then go through and I can upload them. I could give this then all the brief details to actually resolve right here, give it the answers to these, and boom, this is going to run off and actually do this. And so now this grabbed the logos. This actually came up with the exact plan right here. And this is going to begin to generate this. So now that this video is done, here's what this looks like. And I gotta be honest with you, I am absolutely mind blown by this. Let's actually check this out. I cannot believe that it just made that. That has to be the best promo video that I've ever seen. And that's really what makes these skills so powerful. So if you're tired of burning hours generating 5-second clips one at a time and then stitching them together yourself, this is the fix. So go to that pinned comment below and grab TopView Canvas today so you could get started with Seedance 2.5 and let the video agent build your next video while you keep full control of every step.